go for an interval run on Wednesday, but my legs, I think, needed a bit of time to recover. I think the first couple of weeks of this training program have been quite intense. 5 kilometers in, and I'm beating my Tuesday morning pace. That's all that I'm trying to do today. 3 more kilometers to go. Let's do this. Here we are, at work. Last kilometer was a bit slow, 5:02 pace. But otherwise, we did pretty well. 42 minutes for an 8.5k. Good start to a Friday, I think. Southwold Pier. Oh my god, I want to live by the sea. Can you imagine running along here every day? Oh my god, post run, swim in the sea. On. I'm telling you, it's on. Right, I am 1.5 kilometers down on what I'm thinking is going to be a 24 kilometer run to Blythburgh and back. But I'm going to try and run along the old Southwold Railway. Oh my, someone out swimming there. Oh, that's early, that's fresh. Damn, someone's keen today. For now, just trying to settle in to a good pace. Keeping around a 6-minute pace at the moment. Oh, got some of that sweet country smell. Oh. Okay. Southwold Water Tower. Probably has a better name. Right, so as far as I understand it, this is Southwold Railway. So I can follow this trail now pretty much all the way down to Blythburgh. This is more like it. Reminds me of running along the Tissington Trail in the Peak District a month ago. Coming up to the bridge now. Here it is. Shows just how narrow gauge it is. Look at this. This is 7.4k into the journey. Not even a third of the way yet. Let's keep going. I'm not sure this is the right way. I know it's around here somewhere. Let's go and have another look. Nope, double check the map. This is definitely the right way. Okay. Tell you what, compared to Bristol last weekend, this is lovely and flat. The only hill I've had so far was going up to the water tower, and that was barely a hill. Oh, this isn't the perfect trail run. My god, it's beautiful. Canopy of trees. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh dear, fallen tree, had to run around that. Not bad at all, Southwold. Come running in Suffolk, guys. It's very nice. Crap, that's actually it. I think I have to go back now. Oh, I'm enjoying this too much. Oh shit. Okay, let's figure out where to go now. This is Blythburgh, I think. This looks like my route back. I don't know where we're going yet, or whether it'll be as pretty as the route here. Okay, I just saw a sign. Apparently, this is Walberswick National Nature Reserve. Ah, back under a lovely tree canopy. This is what I want all my runs to have. if it's a hot day. Perfect. Every run has its ups and downs, and this bit, it's not exactly a highlight. Running along this main road here, down to Walberswick, where the harbour is. There's a lovely church here in Walberswick. I ran past this, probably nearly an hour ago. And now we're heading this way now. Just at 2 hours run time. Oh dear. Starting to get quite tired now. No lie. Adrenaline needs to get me this last bit of the way. Back of the water tower is officially at the half marathon distance. So we are going to plough on down to the promenade, hopefully run down the pier, and then back to the house. Don't see anyone swimming in there at the moment. I will be very soon, hopefully. Right, to the end and back. Oh, flies everywhere. Okay. And back again. There we go. And there's the Southwold sign. Stop, stop. Oh, we're done. We're done. Oh my god, everything aches. Really good though. Really good run. I blazed it. 6:03 pace. Yes. I was aiming for a 6 pace. 6:03. That's awesome. That's good. Good to know I can do that. So I did the half marathon in 2 hours, 6 minutes and 11 seconds. Oh, my legs are gonna hurt so much. Oh dear. Never mind. That crept up on me. Oh shit. Fucking hell, it's cold. It's in half bad, that.